for AI expertise is skyrocketing. Possessing AI knowledge can open doors to exciting career opportunities. Imagine being at the forefront of innovation, working on projects that could change the world. These skills are in high demand. Don't get left behind. Attend workshops, participate in job fairs, and network with industry leaders to stay updated. Start learning AI basics today. There are numerous online courses and resources available to help you get started, regardless of your current skill level. Your future self will thank you. By investing in AI skills now, you're setting yourself up for a successful and fulfilling career in engineering. Unlocking new opportunities with AI. Knowing AI can boost your engineering career. You can solve complex problems in new ways. AI helps you analyze data better. This leads to better designs and more efficient processes. AI skills make you a valuable asset. You will stand out from the crowd. You can lead the way in innovation. Embrace AI and open doors to new possibilities. Section 4. Bridging the Gap: Practical Steps to AI Proficiency. Don't worry if you're new to AI. Many resources are available. Start with online courses on platforms like Coursera or edX. These offer flexibility and convenience. Attend workshops and conferences to network and learn from experts. Look for certifications to showcase your AI skills to potential employers. Section 5. AI in Action: Real-World Success Stories. Engineers are already using AI in amazing ways. From enhancing project efficiency to solving complex problems, AI is revolutionizing the engineering landscape. For example, civil engineers use AI for structural health monitoring. This technology allows them to assess the integrity of bridges, buildings, and other infrastructure in real time. By analyzing data, AI helps predict and prevent disasters, ensuring public safety and saving costs on repairs. Mechanical engineers use AI to optimize designs. Through simulations and predictive analytics, they can create more efficient and innovative products. This leads to better fuel efficiency in vehicles, reducing environmental impact and improving performance. These success stories demonstrate the transformative power of AI in engineering. They highlight how AI can streamline workflows, enhance creativity, and drive innovation. By learning from these examples, you can find inspiration and guidance for your AI journey. Embrace the potential of AI to transform your projects and achieve new heights in your engineering career. Don't wait. The future of engineering is here. Embrace AI today and unlock a world of possibilities for your career. Continuous learning is key in the rapidly evolving field of AI. Stay curious, stay updated, and watch your engineering career soar to new heights.